downsizing of these bureaucrats that are in these computer-operated economy. I mean, we have middle-class angst with those people who have those jobs out in the large corporations and so forth. We have technological problems of, well, there's going to be technological problems of offshore competition, bringing those mass-produced goods. And I guess we need those mass-produced goods. They're increasingly made by robots and by technological systems and so forth. The creative role of somebody in the advertising agency working on a campaign to sell puppy biscuits gets paid huge amounts of money. It's hard to understand. We're going to have some sort of a new economic system to relate people to it, and it might be that if we have a way of relating to a changed economic order, then we're going to have to allow for there to be some, in my view, some expanded ownership of the technology that would then free people up to be involved in the things that are really important, which are the creative aspects of the human spirit. We give the creative aspects of the human spirit very short shrift with our almost total interest and total, almost bowing down in a quasi-religious sense to Moloch, to money. Everything is controlled by the dollar-price considerations of economics. We need to have some sort of an economic order that can free people to have some sort of freedom from the constraints of those bureaucratic systems, for one thing, that they must go buy into to survive, and then to free them to have income to be able to be involved in the expressions of the human spirit that is so important. I don't know what form that would take, but it might be outside of the marketplace economy even. There would have to be that, because this thing is growing up. It's like a great big sort of cyst or something. You puncture that. The tension is growing up among the broader society that it's going to find expression from the younger and from other people, particularly as the tensions grow among the people who no longer will find security in those traditional patterns, which I would predict is coming. I think, that's just I don't want to get off on that, but that's just another thing. But the most important aspects of the human spirit are given such short shrift, and acting and so forth is one of them. Now listen, you came out of her